welcome to Suryani Silks. This is Nilufar Suryani presenting you all the latest collection of pure Kanchivaram silk sarees. All of these items have been uploaded on our website, that is www.suryanis.in. You can also book an appointment for a video call. Call us on the helpline number, that is 888-4040-499. We have flexible payment mode that includes cash on delivery. Please do subscribe on our channel and get the latest update. And hit the like button. Let's start with the first saree. This is a parrot green which has gold zari weaving all over the saree. On the top border you have elephant and peacock gold zari weaving all over, and same as well as the below border. This is a contrast pallu which has gold zari weaving all over, and this is the blouse. Saree which has gold zari weaving all over the saree, and you get a contrast border which is black with gold zari weaving. This is the below border, and this is the contrast heavy pallu. And this is the blouse. It's a purple shade which has gold zari bootas all over, and there's a contrast border with gold zari weaving. This is the below border, and there's the heavy pallu with gold zari weaving. Another shade with the same design. You get gold zari bootas all over, and this is the contrast border with gold zari weaving. This is the below border, and this is a lovely contrast pallu with gold zari weaving, and this is the blouse. It's a beautiful color which has gold zari bootas all over the saree. This is top border with gold zari weaving. This is the below border. This is the contrast heavy pallu. This is the blouse. Different pattern which has gold zari bootas with the floral zari weaving, and there is the big border on the top as well as the below border with gold zari weaving. You get the floral zari weaving on it, and there is a lovely contrast heavy pallu with gold zari weaving, and this is the blouse. Same pattern with a different color. You get floral zari weaving entire saree, and this is a big border with gold zari weaving all over as well as on the below border, and it's a contrast pallu with gold zari weaving on it. This is the blouse. Combination of this saree which has floral bootas all over, and you get big border with floral zari weaving on the border, and this is the below border. You get the same floral weaving, and the combination of this is very lovely, which has gold zari weaving on the pallu. And this is the blouse. All the sarees have been uploaded on our website, that is www.suryanis.in. Please do visit our website and hit the like button. And you can also share your comments on our comment section. Happy shopping!